How to massage the gluteal muscles. This muscle group is located between the lower back to the thigh, and it extends quite a bit to the side. Use the verve to target tight muscle knots and trigger points. Use the sport if you want to cover a wider area. Hold one position for 15 to 30 seconds. For a more powerful massage, use the Mini Pro. The Maxi Pro is best suited for the gluteal muscles due to its size and strength. Turn it 90 degrees to work on both sides simultaneously. When using a smaller massager, you can still reach some of the gluteal muscles in a seated position. Check out our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Stay active.